and today we will be learning about a new topic called Paana. Okay. User is unable to do something. It can be something to do with the user, or it can be with the external influences. But something makes Hindi unique or different or slightly challenging, that it also looks at not the task but how it is done, or not whether the task is done but how it is done. Okay. And as a result of it, you when a user is unable to do something, okay, it will also look at whether it is due to the inability of the user or whether it is external influences. Okay. I was unable to see, or I couldn't manage to see, or I couldn't see. If it is something to do with me, I will use sakna. If it is something to do with outside forces, whether it was dark or the lights went out, you are using Paana. So Paana in general can be used both as a main verb or as an auxiliary verb. When you say auxiliary verb, you already have like a main verb here, such as jana, and after that you are using along with Paana. When you use it with the main verb, what happens is you remove this and you are left with ja Paana. Okay, you have dekhna, you use it with Paana. Dekhna is to watch or is to see. Just like this, it becomes dekh Paana. Okay, dekh Paana. Okay, to manage to, so this is to manage to go, or to be able to go, or to manage to see. Okay, pakadna is to catch, like as in to catch a bus is bus pakadna. When you used it with Paana, it's basically you remove the na and you are left with pakad Paana. Pakad Paana. Okay. I'm going to ask some of you to think about any verb, any main verb or action verb, and write it down in the comments what will happen to it when you add Paana to it. So I'm going to ask all of you to please do that, so I just get an understanding whether you're all following it so far or not. And most of the time, when you use Paana as an auxiliary verb, you use a lot of the sentences in the negative scenarios, like you could not do something, or you were unable to do something. Almost a lot of cases will be in your negative sentences. So if my sentence is simply I was unable to catch the bus, and because it's past, what you will happen is you will take the main verb. I'm going to just use to catch is pakadna plus Paana. When it is used, you remove the na and you will end up using or conjugating Paana as paya, pai, or pae. For plural, there will be nasalized sound, but for masculine singular is paya, feminine singular pai, feminine plural with nasalized sound, and masculine plural pae. Okay, so if I was unable to catch the train or bus, मैं बस पकड़ नहीं पाया. Okay, and if Malguratsa ji is saying it, मैं बस नहीं पकड़ पाई. Okay, if with a group of us we were not able to catch the bus, हम बस नहीं पकड़ पाए. Okay, so far good. I want you to now take the action verb that you wrote and try to replace the sentence with that. So that's what I have, the small exercise again, and feel free to use the same one. You know, the same the verb that I have, or you can change it. But you should be able to practice all the different pronouns here and how they're used with the main verb, where I remove the na for all of them. Okay, and you're left with just the auxiliary one in the negative sentence, right? So it could be tum soch nahi पाए, masculine singular, tum soch nahi pai, right? So for all the respective pronouns, you will have pronouns on the first column. This is just the base stem of the main verb: bol, soch, dekh, sun, goom, ga, and lik. When you are saying it for yourself, masculine singular, nahi paya. For feminine singular, nahi pai. Okay, so this is just a small table for you to practice with. I want to spend like at least a few minutes here just so that you guys can all be comfortable on this one. Right. I want to spend some time on the exercises, so let's go. Hopefully we took some time to build the base, so hopefully it should be easier to do the exercise, and we'll probably just do some sentences, and I'm going to give you the remaining for homework. Okay, now this is written in the past tense, and it says because of illness. Okay, it's not in your control probably. She was unable to work. बीमारी के कारण she was unable to work, and here the subject is unable to do something. So you will end up using, with the main verb, you will end up using Paana, and you remove the na, and basically you left with काम कर पाना. And because it's past tense, you remove the na for feminine singular, काम कर पाई. And because it's negative, बीमारी के कारण वह काम नहीं कर पाई. Right, now we'll make it harder. The subject is still the same, it's the feminine singular, just the tense is changing. Now she will be unable to work. So this is something you, let's say you are in an office situation, and you would want to tell your manager or whoever that, or colleagues also, right? I mean, that because of the sickness, I will not be able to do something. It's beyond my control. Okay, I will not be able to attend your wedding. It's nothing to do with me. It's beyond my control. Like whatever the scheduling would be, मैं नहीं आ पाऊंगा और मैं attend नहीं कर पाऊंगा. Right? This is a very good one sentence because we come across it all the time, where we have to tell someone that I will not be able to do something. So just remember this one, right? Right. So I'm gonna again ask you guys to take a moment, think about it. Same sentence, बीमारी के कारण she will be unable to work. वह काम नहीं कर पाएगी. Now we will do something in the past, present tense. We've done the past, future. Let's do this one. And this is she is unable to work. वह काम नहीं कर पाती है. And this is just like how you will conjugate the indefinite sentences. मैं चलता हूँ, मैं सोचता हूँ, मैं बोलता हूँ. But in this case, it's basically you will use the base stem of the main verb, and you use the pana in the present indefinite. कर पाना becomes कर पाता, कर पाती, or कर पाते. Okay? Having learned this concept, I want you to read it again and tell me and be genuine about it if it makes more sense now. Okay? The same paragraph that you read, So I want you to read it again. So kal is yesterday, right? So she couldn't catch the bus yesterday because it's samay par, it means on time. But it's, you were still able to get it right completely, even though you may not have heard of samay par. Samay par is on time. Pura karna is to complete. Raat is night. Kal is yesterday. Sona is to sleep. Hum is we. Pishle hafte, it's hard. It's last week. The kids were unable to watch TV or couldn't watch TV. It could be because there was no electricity. So that's it for today.